Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 47 how to escape a shadow ban on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone, the Instagram application, and now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on the Instagram application, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then in order to escape a shadow ban, we must first check to see, are we shadow banned or not? Go to a photo, go to your tags, click on the tag relevant to your page that will allow us to see whether or not the page has been shadow banned or not. Computer science videos, the page has not been shadow banned. However, if these photos were no longer visible after we click the hashtag, that's because the page has been shadow banned. To escape a shadow ban, we must stop posting every day, maybe a couple of times a week for 2 weeks, use less hashtags, and then you will be removed from shadow ban. Once you click the hashtag again, your photos are all visible. And then when it comes to making the next post, use less tags. Keep switching up the tags. Change your tags. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.